Assalamu alaikum student. Today we are going to see a new concept in the chapter number 3, issue of shares. In that we have seen a fifth part. In fifth part we are going to see share certificates and the content of share certificate and about information about the duplicate share certificate and what is the transfer of share, what are the procedure of transfer of share and transmission of share and what are the provisions for the transmission of share. These topics we are going to see in this video. Very first topic we have to see that is share certificate. What is share certificate? So it is a registered document issued by the company which is an evidence of ownership of a specified number of shares of the company. That means एक रजिस्टर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट है जो कौन इशू करता है, कंपनी इशू करती है एंड इट इज़ एन एविडेंस, एक प्रूफ होता है कि जो द पर्सन हु इज़ परचेजिंग द शेयर ही और शी इज़ द ओनरशिप ऑफ दैट नंबर स्पेसिफाइड नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स विच इज़ इशूड बाय द कंपनी टू हिम. दैट मीन्स जो पर्सन ने जितने शेयर्स लिया है वो क्या है, उसका ओनर है. वो ओनर है. ये एविडेंस हम लोग को कौन शो करता है, शेयर सर्टिफिकेट. ऑन दिस शेयर सर्टिफिकेट द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ शेयर इज रिटन एज वेल एज एविडेंस ऑफ टाइटल ऑफ शेयर इज रिटन. दैट मीन्स दिस शेयर्स बिलोंग्स टू हुम. ये शेयर्स किसने परचेज किया ये भी क्या होता है, उस शेयर सर्टिफिकेट में लिखा होता है. इट इज़ अ रजिस्टर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट एंड ड्यूली साइन एंड स्टैम्प बाय द बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर. और कौन साइन करता है इसको, बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर साइन करते हैं. इन केस ऑफ एनी डिस्प्यूट और मेंबरशिप अराइजेस, हो सकता है कभी बोलेगा कोई पर्सन आ गए, कोई अचानक से डिस्प्यूट हो गया, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो गया. इफ पर्सन केम्स एंड देन सेड कि दिस शेयर्स आर बिलोंग्स टू अस, यानी ये शेयर्स मेरे हैं. सो वी हैव द evidence. The share certificate will have the evidence, not the entries in the register of member. Or even when we issue the share certificate, so we have to write the name of persons in the register of the member. So register of member is a proof of the number of share certificate issued to number of members. Now share certificate has issued under a common seal of the company. Share certificate will be issued under the common seal of the company if any and signed by the two director or duly signed by the two director authorized by the board of director of the company secretary and other authorized person. That means share certificate must be signed by the two directors, authorized signature by the secretary as well as one other authorized person. Share certificate must be signed by the two director, duly authorized by the board of director and company secretary or the other authorized person. Understood? Company has to issue the share certificate to the allottees as well as transferees or transfer of share if it is issued on partly or fully paid off shares. Next topic is contents of share certificate. Share certificate must be issued in the form SH1 as prescribed under the company's share capital rules 2014. And the following contents are, see in the slide, the name and the address of the registered company. Very first, the name of the company, CIN, registered office of the company, that we have to mention the share certificate. Folio number, that means share certificate number. Folio number, that means share certificate number. Then next is name and address of the holder. Name and address of the share certificate holder or the member. Name, number of shares or number of shares or the distinctive number of shares we have to write on the share certificate. Nominal amount paid by him or the face value of the shareholder and day and date of issue and the common seal of the company and the last signature of at least two director and the counter signature of the secretary. Common seal of the company and signature of two directors and counter signature by the company secretary. ठीक है. Now to whom it is issued? The share certificate will be issued within the 2 months dates of incorporation or to whom it is issued, to subscribe the memorandum of association. Subscribers to who a memorandum of association, their name is written in the registration. And 2 months, within 2 months date of allotment and the allottees in case of allotment of shares. Within 1 month from the date of receipt of instrument of transfer. If in case of transfer is there or transmission is there, so within a 1 month we have to issue a share certificate to the transferee or the transferor. ठीक है. To whom you have to issue? So transfer, in the case of transfer of share, legal representative can be taken the share certificate. So these are the concept of content of the share certificate. Now statutory provisions regarding the share certificate, we have to see the time limit. Just now I have said when the company will issue the share certificate, 2 months within the date of incorporation, 2 months before the date of allotment, within the 1 month of the date of receipts of transfer or the intimation of transmission. ठीक है. By default, to whom share certificate can be sanctioned? So to the subscriber of the memorandum of association, to the allottees in case of allotment of shares, to the transferee in case of transfer of share, or to the legal representatives in case of transmission of share. So these are the default person to whom the share certificate can be sanctioned. Content of share certificate, just now I explained. Name of the company is there, the share certificate number is there, name and address of the holder is there, number of shares held by them, distinct number of shares, amount paid by him, and the common seal, and the signature of 2 directors and the company secretary. As well as whenever we issue the share certificate, we have to maintain an entry in the register of member, and preservation of document is there, and we have to take a documents preservation and dispatch of register post. We have to dispatch the share certificate to the allottees, to the members by the registered post, or we can share the share certificate from the demat form, that is dematerialization form. So these are the procedure or the provision that we have to follow to issue the share certificate. Procedure for issue of share certificate. Very first, printing of share certificate. Company has to see whether the share certificates are printed or not. On the printed share certificate, they have to see company's name, company's registered office, CN number, certificate number, and all the places are correct or not. Filing the details. When the when the shares are allotted to allottees, then register should be maintained properly, or the filing of details should be properly. Then we have to arrange a board meeting. In that board meeting, company secretary has to finalize on which day we have to issue a share certificate. And the next point is public notice and the circular letter. Company secretary has to write a letter or correspondence to the members that on this date we are issuing share certificate from the demat form, or we can corresponding to the share certificate by the registered post, or at the last, on the date which decided in the board meeting, on that day we have to dispatch the share certificate by the prescribed mode which is finalized in the board meeting, maybe by registered post or by electronic form, that is from demat form. So these are the procedure of issue of share certificate. Very first, printing of share certificate, filing the details. In the printing of share certificate, company has to see whether the share certificates are in abundant quantity or not, and the filing of details, all the details are written or not. Board meeting, in board meeting we have to see when, on which day we have to, on which time, to whom we have to allot the shares. The next is dispatch of share certificate, entry maintained with the share certificate, and we have to dispatch a share certificate from the electronic mode, or we can say registered post. Now, in case of share certificate lost, अगर share certificate lost हो गई है किसी member की, so in that case company will issue a duplicate share certificate. So there are some step how the company will issue a duplicate share certificate. See, a company can issue a share certificate if original certificate has been defaced, multimelted, or the torn or surrendered to the company. ठीक है, पहला केस क्या है, ओरिजिनल सर्टिफिकेट हैज़ बीन डिफेस यानी घूम गया है. सेकेंड क्या है, मैनिपुलेटेड और टॉर्न यानी फट गया है, और या फिर पर्सन ने सरेंडर्ड कर दिया है. तो ये केस में क्या होगा, डुप्लीकेट शेयर सर्टिफिकेट कंपनी इशू की होगी. सेकेंड, इट हैज़ बीन प्रूव बाय द होल्डर दैट ओरिजिनल शेयर सर्टिफिकेट इज लॉस्ट और डिस्ट्रॉय. ये प्रूफ होना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स जब शेयर सर्टिफिकेट क्या हो रहा है, गुम हो रहा है या लॉस्ट हो गया है, सो पर्सन शुड फाइल FIR विद द पुलिस. दैट इज़ अ प्रूफ कि हमने क्या किया है, हमारा शेयर सर्टिफिकेट गुम हो गया है तो हमने अपना FIR रजिस्टर्ड किया था पुलिस स्टेशन में. सो दैट इज एविडेंस फॉर द कंपनी दैट एक्चुअली शेयर सर्टिफिकेट हैज़ बीन लॉस्ट. सो इन द केस ऑफ लॉस ऑफ शेयर सर्टिफिकेट, कंपनी पुट अ नोटिस इन द न्यूज़पेपर टू अनाउंस अ लॉस ऑफ शेयर. तो कंपनी क्या करती है, नोटिस करती है न्यूज़पेपर में कि इस पर्सन का शेयर सर्टिफिकेट क्या हो गया है, लॉस हो गया. आज द फाइंडर, और फाइंडर को ढूंढती है. इफ़ एनी, टू टू रिटर्न इट, अगर कभी वापस आ जाता है तो कंपनी क्या करती है, रिटर्न बैक करती है. इफ कंपनी डिड नॉट गेट एनी रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम द पब्लिक विद इन द स्पेसिफाइड टाइम लिमिट, देन कंपनी कैन इशू द डुप्लीकेट शेयर सर्टिफिकेट. डुप्लीकेट शेयर सर्टिफिकेट मस्ट बी इशूड विद इन द 3 months, विद इन द 3 months फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन. जब पर्सन ने एप्लीकेशन दिया है उसके 3 months के अंदर ही क्या करना है, कंपनी ने डुप्लीकेट शेयर सर्टिफिकेट इशू करना है. किसको, रजिस्टर्ड शेयर होल्डर को. द डुप्लीकेट शेयर सर्टिफिकेट शुड बी स्टेट इन बोल्ड डुप्लीकेट शेयर सर्टिफिकेट, और शेयर सर्टिफिकेट पे इंडिकेट करना है कि डुप्लीकेट शेयर सर्टिफिकेट. कंपनी हैज़ टू पे अ हैवी पेनल्टी, इट हैज़ बीन डुप्लीकेट शेयर सर्टिफिकेट विद इंटेंट ऑफ डिफ्रॉड. अगर किसी ने फ्रॉड किया है तो कंपनी क्या करेगी, हैवी पेनल्टी क्या करेगी, उसको डिफ्रॉड पर्सन पे लगाएगी. अकॉर्डिंग टू सेक्शन 82, company empowers every shareholder to transfer his share. That means a shareholder can transfer the share to the other person. A transfer of share take place when the registered shareholder transfers his share by sale or otherwise to any other person voluntarily. And board of director has authority to refuse the registration of transfer of share. And board of director has authority to refuse the transfer of shares. Transfer of share means a voluntary transfer of share by a member of company in favor of another person. That means voluntary a person want to transfer his share to the other person, so it's called transfer of share. A member can be transfer the share for the consideration and give it as a gift. That means member अपने personal benefit के लिए भी अपने share सोल्ड कर सकता है और he can give as a gift. एवरी मेंबर हैज़ अ राइट टू ट्रांसफर ऑफ शेयर, और हर एक मेंबर के पास राइट होता है वो अपना शेयर्स ट्रांसफर कर सकता है. इन केस ऑफ पब्लिक कंपनी शेयर्स आर फ्रीली ट्रांसफरेबल सब्जेक्ट टू द प्रोविजन ऑफ आर्टिकल्स ऑफ एसोसिएशन. पब्लिक कंपनी में शेयर्स इजीली ट्रांसफरेबल हो सकते हैं, बट मेंबर्स शुड फॉलो द provisions which is written in the articles of association. Whereas in the private company there are restrictions on the free transfer of shares, but private company shareholders cannot transfer share easily. They have some restrictions on it. A member has applied the company for the transfer of shares but filing the instrument of transfer. मेंबर को क्या करना है, अप्लाई करना है. फर्स्ट मेंबर हैज़ टू अप्लाई फॉर द ट्रांसफर ऑफ शेयर एंड दे हैव टू फाइल द इंस्ट्रूमेंट application form of transfer and submit a share certificate also along with the required transfer fees, and they have to pay the transfer fees also. Member who is transferring the share is called transferor. The person who has transferred the share is called transferor, and to whom the share is transferred is called transferee. A member can sell either a part or entire shares held by him. That means a member can share the entire share which is held by him, or he can sell a part share which he or she held. Transfer is to be said complete only when the transfer is registered in the register of the member. Under depository system, transfer of share is automatically done on the basis of delivery against the payment. When we follow the depository system, that is online transaction, in that case we no need to make a record, we no need to make a register of member. Automatically it is done on the basis of delivery against the payment. As in when the payment made, we can record how many shares are transferred. Once the shares are transferred, the liability of transferor ends. Stamp duty has to paid on the transfer of share in physical form, but in demat form no stamp duty is paid. When we transfer the share by the mere delivery, or we can say offline or physical form, so we have to pay a stamp duty. But when we are transferring the share by online or demat form, so no need to pay the stamp duty on it. Clear everyone? Concept is procedure of transfer of share. Very first, a member has to submit the instrument of transfer, that is transfer form. Along with this transfer form, member has to pay a transfer fee as well as share certificate. They have to submit the share certificate to the company, and company will verify this transfer form and scrutinize all the details. He will check all the information and to whom the shares are transferring. All the information will be checked by the company itself. Then company will issue a notice of lodgement. Yes, we are giving a permission to transfer. Then we have to hold a board meeting for the sanction of board session. In the board session, what is done actually? The board of director has have authority to refuse the registration of share. So, company secretary or call a board meeting for the sanction of board whether the board of director are giving a permission to transfer the share or refusal of transfer. Board of director can refuse the transfer of share. ठीक है. So board of direct a notice of refusal given by the reason for refusing the transfer of board. That means the board has a notice of refusal given a reason for refusing the transfer by the board is to be sent to the member within the 30 days from the date on which the instrument transfer was delivered by the company. That means company secretary has to write a letter for the refusal of transfer to the members that board of director rejects or refuses your transfer of share. The board may be refused or registering the transfer under the following condition. When the provision for transfer of shares are giving articles of association not fulfilled by the member, all the provisions if not fulfilled by the member, so board of director can reject or refuse the transfer. When the instrument of transfer is not as per the rules prescribed by under the Companies Act, the rules which is prescribed in the Companies Act, and the members are not fulfilling all the required procedure, so company can reject the transfer of share. When the instrument is not accompanied by share certificate, if members are not attached or not submit a share certificate with the instrument of transfer, in that case also board of director rejects the transfer. When the company has a share on to be transferred, that means company लीन ऑन द शेयर, यानी डिसाइड नहीं है, मेंबर ने डिसाइड नहीं किया है, इट इज़ लीन ऑन ट्रांसफर, यानी उसने सोचा कि मैं ट्रांसफर करूंगा. सो इन दैट केस ऑल्सो बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर कैन रिजेक्ट द ट्रांसफर. अ मेंबर में अपील टू द NCLT अगेंस्ट द रिफ्यूजल. अ मेंबर क्या कर सकता है? अपील कर सकता है इफ द बोर्ड रिजेक्ट्स द ट्रांसफर ऑफ शेयर. So within the period of 30 days, and member can be appeal for NCLT against refusal by the board within the period of 30 days. If no notice is received, the member can appeal within 60 days. अगर नोटिस नहीं मिली है तो मेंबर 60 डेज में अपील कर सकता है इन केस ऑफ प्राइवेट कंपनी, एंड विद इन द 90 डेज इन केस ऑफ पब्लिक कंपनी. और पब्लिक कंपनी में भी वो 90 डेज के अंदर अगर उसको नोटिस नहीं मिली है रिफ्यूजल ऑफ ट्रांसफ़र की, तो वो 90 डेज के अंदर अपील कर सकता है. किसके लिए? NCLT के लिए. ओके. एंड द ब्लैंक ट्रांसफर व्हेन मेंबर असाइन द इंस्ट्रूमेंट ट्रांसफर विदाउट फाइलिंग द नेम ऑफ ट्रांसफरी. बैंक क्या हुआ है, मेंबर ने इंस्ट्रूमेंट ट्रांसफर फॉर्म भरा है बट विदाउट द नेम ऑफ ट्रांसफर, कि किसको ट्रांसफर करना है, हैंड ओवर टू ट्रांसफर अलॉन्ग विद द शेयर सर्टिफिकेट, इज कॉल्ड अ ब्लैंक ट्रांसफर. एंड द लास्ट इज forget transfer. Forget transfer is where the signature of transfer is forget. Any signature of transfer is not there, so it is called the forget transfer. So these are the conditions or the for the refusal of transfer and the provisions for the transfer of share and the procedure of transfer of share. Now we will move on transmission of share. Transmission of share takes place under due to operation of law, that is the share of member is automatically transferred to the another person on death, insolvency, or the insanity of member or the lunacy of the member. Thus, transmission of share is an involuntary action. फोर्स ये खुद से नहीं होता है, इनवॉलंटरी यानी मेंबर खुद से नहीं कर रहा है, इनवॉलंटरी एक्शन होता है. देयर इज़ ओनली वन पार्टी दैट इज़ अ लीगल हायर. एक ही पार्टी होता है इसमें जिसका नाम क्या है? लीगल हायर, मतलब उसका लीगल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हु इंटीमेट द प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन, जो क्या कर रहा है, ये प्रोसेस करना चाह रहा है, इनिशिएट द प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन, मतलब उसने इनिशिएटिव लिया है फॉर ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ शेयर. The legal hire or the official receiver no need to pay any consideration for share. Original liability of the member continues in case of transmission. Here, the original liability of the member can continue when the transmission of share is done. But in case of transfer, there is no liability for the transferor. is there is no need to submit the instrument of transfer or pay stamp duty. In the transmission of share, there is no need to pay the instrument of transfer as well as stamp duty in any cases, whether we transmit the share by registered post or by demat form. ठीक है. Next concept, provision regarding the transmission of share. Ownership of share, right of legal representative, that means ownership of share will be transferred to the legal representative. Legal representative's names were registered in the register of member. Transfer of share to some other person, notification to the company, power of board of director have power. In that also the provision is to get himself registered number to transfer of share to other person in case of death, lunacy as well as a insolvency. Even in case of that, to legal representative. In case of death, the shares are transmitted to the legal representative. In case of lunacy, the transfer of share to the guardian of the member. In case of insolvency, the shares are transmitted to the official receiver appointed by the court or the board. These are the procedures of transmission of share. I hope you understood all these topics: share certificate, provisions for the share certificate, procedure of share certificate, transfer of shares, and the provision of transfer of shares and transmission of shares. Now, in that we had earlier call on share, forfeiture of share, surrender of share. So these topics are cancelled now under the reduction in the syllabus. So we are going to see these topics only in this chapter. This is the last topic. This was the last topic of your chapter number 3, issue of share. Here we complete our chapter number 3. If you have to make a note, you have to write a distinguish between also. In that, transfer of shares and transmission of share is very important on with board point of view. It will be compulsory question in the board exam. Distinguish between the transfer of shares or transmission of shares. So by heart of this topic. If you have any doubt, and complete the notes and come in a college for the correction of books. So thank you for watching my video.